Welcome Jethro's Garage. Hey, today let's talk about thin. We want to get into some tight spaces, and I've got just the stuff to do it here. Y'all stay tuned. Let's take a look at this stuff. Okay, what we're going to be talking about today is this 3/8 drive low profile socket set from Snap-on. It is a 210 RAF SMA. That is 210 RAF SMA. Nice set. The action is just incredibly smooth. I wish you could feel the back drag on this. It is just wonderful. I mean, it doesn't do it justice. It is nice. This is the best back drag of any of my ratchets. I purchased this used, got it off of a Craigslist or something. About, I don't know, a few years back, heck, 6 or 7 years ago. Anyways, here's the problem. It is $331.30 off the truck. You might can buy it cheaper. I won't deny that. You may even get it brand new off the truck cheaper, but I can't promise that. So what I want to do is I want to see just how shallow it is, and I'm going to compare it to a few things. Here's a regular Snap-on ratchet. Here is the shallowest 15 I have. It is even shallower than a 1/4 inch drive 15. This is Astro Pneumatics nano socket. This is a Snap-on 15 1/4 inch drive. See that? Okay. Just wanted to show you that for comparison. Now, here is the shallow. I wish I had a chrome one, but I don't. Here's the shallow that comes with this Snap-on kit. We're comparing 15 to 15. So right off the bat, no matter what, you can imagine this is going to be shallower than any 3/8 drive option that I can come with, but we're going to do this first. I'll never get that socket off, and we're going to measure this. So I'm going to do it without the selector switch, and it comes in, you see that? 1.2205. This is in inches. 1.2205. Now let's do this. 1.4625. 1.4625. So over 2/10 bigger. Now I'm going to try something else. Here is my Vim adapter, wrench adapter. It's a 3/8 drive that you can put in a 14mm wrench. And let's try this. As a matter of fact, let's go with the nano socket, or the low profile socket. And it's going to give me, let's see if it can go below 12. Nope. 13,465. 13,465. That's the best it can give me. Now let's try it with this small ratchet from Vim. Understand these ain't apples to apples comparisons, but I know this one's going to come out even bigger. So that is 14,360. 14,360. What did it come out to on the snap-on ratchet? Oh, the big one? Let's see if it's shallower. So far our winner for that is, so that's 13. So this right here is shallower than even the Vim little bitty DD3 ratchet. So with that out of the way, let's try something else. Let's see how small we can get. Here's my 10 millimeter, the one that everybody loves. And let's measure it. 1.1665. So I've got two offerings for 10 millimeter here that are not even quarter drive. They are quarter drive, but they're bits. So we're 1.1665. I'm sorry, 650. And this is my Vim set is 0.8720. And even smaller is my laser set. Look at that. It's 0.7095. So if you go down below, these kits, right, this one goes up to a 13. So 14 and above is going to be this. If you want more torque on it, it's going to be this. You want something smaller, yeah, you can get by with these bit ratchets, especially a 10 millimeter. But anyway, it's a nice set. Is it worth the money? I don't know. It's really according to how much you're going to use it. If you can find something else that's reasonable within that ballpark. I mean, anytime you can save space, it's awesome. But as we saw here, we're saved a little over 1/10 of an inch with this right here, and with using that socket. But these sockets aren't even easy to come by. So let's back you up here and we'll talk about it a little more. Here's the thing, this is expensive. If you're making your money day in and day out with it, you probably want to invest in it. A lot of dash work and stuff like that. I imagine there are plenty of reasons this will come in handy. I have only needed it once or twice, and I've had it for years. Needed it. Always found another way in. And if you're in a spot that tight, chances are you're going to run into a situation to where if you pull that bolt or whatever out too far, it can lock you into place and you have to flip it back and go the other way. So that's something else to think about. Would I buy it if I was worked at a dealership or something like that? More than likely. If I worked on a lot of newer stuff, I'd probably buy it. If not, I'd probably buy me something, I'd try to find something comparable. And what I'll do is I'll start browsing the internet, trying to find something comparable to see if it holds up to it. Because $331 is a whole lot of money. I think I got this for $150. For $150, I'd buy it again every day, every single day. But if you want if you want information on this VIM set or this laser set or the DD3, I'll put, and even this VIM adapter, I'll put the information in the description down below. Hey, thank y'all for watching. Take care. See y'all on the next one.